Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel Vet. If you've ever traveled by air, you know that sinking feeling when you watch the baggage carousel spin and your suitcase decides to play hide and seek. Today, we're diving into the real reasons airlines lose luggage, and more importantly, how you can prevent it from happening to you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the scale of the problem. According to the 2022 SITA Baggage IT Insights report, over 25 million bags were mishandled worldwide. That's a staggering number, like a small country losing its entire luggage population. But what exactly causes this chaos? One of the biggest culprits is good old human error. With thousands of bags being processed every day, mistakes happen. A bag might end up on a flight to Timbuktu when you intended to go to Paris. It's like playing a game of Where's Waldo? But instead of Waldo, it's your suitcase. Airlines rely heavily on technology for tracking luggage. Sometimes the systems fail, leading to bags being lost in the Bermuda Triangle of airport terminals. It's like your GPS suddenly deciding it wants to take a vacation too. Got a short layover? Your bag might not make it onto your connecting flight, while you sprint through the terminal like a contestant on a reality show. Airlines prioritize passengers over luggage, so sometimes your bag just can't keep up with your travel ambitions. If a bag is left unattended for too long, it may be flagged as a security risk and removed from the flight. Think of it as your bag getting grounded for bad behavior. No one wants to be that bag. Let's look at some real-life examples. In 2021, a major airline reported that 1 in every 100 passengers experienced lost luggage. One traveler shared their story of arriving in a foreign country without their suitcase, which contained all their essentials. They had to spend extra money on clothes and toiletries, not to mention the stress of dealing with the airline's customer service. Talk about a travel nightmare. These stories highlight the importance of understanding how luggage can go missing and the impact it can have on your travel experience. So how do we prevent this from happening to you? Now that we understand why luggage gets lost, let's talk about how you can prevent it from happening to you. Here are some practical tips. Always make sure your luggage has a clear, visible tag with your name, phone number, and email address. Consider using a unique identifier, like a bright orange ribbon or a funky sticker, to make your bag stand out in a sea of black suitcases. Arriving at the airport early gives your luggage more time to be processed correctly. This is especially important for international flights or when traveling during peak seasons. Think of it as giving your bag a head start in the race to the plane. Consider investing in a Bluetooth luggage tracker. These handy gadgets can help you locate your bag in real time through your smartphone, giving you peace of mind. It's like having a GPS tracker for your suitcase, because who wouldn't want to know where their bag is at all times? If possible, book flights with longer layovers. This gives your luggage ample time to be transferred to your next flight, reducing the risk of it being left behind. It's like giving your suitcase a leisurely stroll through the airport instead of a mad dash. Always pack a change of clothes, essential toiletries, and any important items in your carry-on bag. This way, if your luggage does get lost, you'll have what you need to get by until it's returned. Think of it as packing your survival kit for unexpected adventures. Familiarize yourself with the airline's policies regarding lost luggage. Understanding your rights can help you navigate the situation more effectively if it happens to you. Knowledge is power, especially when you're dealing with lost baggage. Despite our best efforts, sometimes luggage still gets lost. Here's what you should do if it happens to you. As soon as you realize your bag is missing, go to the airline's baggage service desk. Provide them with your baggage claim ticket and a description of your bag. Don't wait. Be proactive, like a detective on the case of the missing suitcase. Make sure to get a reference number for your report. This will help you track the status of your luggage. It's your ticket to staying in the loop. If you need to buy essentials while waiting for your bag, keep all your receipts. Airlines often reimburse reasonable expenses incurred due to your lost luggage. Just make sure to check the airline's policy on reimbursement limits and what qualifies as reasonable expenses. It's like keeping your lost luggage expense journal handy. Stay in touch with the airline. If you haven't heard back within a few days, reach out to them for updates. Persistence can pay off. Think of it as being politely relentless, like a dog with a bone. So there you have it. While losing luggage can be a frustrating experience, understanding the reasons behind it and taking proactive steps can significantly reduce your chances of it happening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and share your own luggage stories in the comments below. What strategies have you used to keep your bags safe? Thanks for watching and safe travels.